Hey everyone, coming to you from a fountain view suite on an upper level at the Cosmopolitan on the night of the 4th of July with one of the best seats in the house to see all of the fireworks. In just a moment or two, fireworks are going to be starting at Caesars, which just went dark, Mirage, Treasure Island, Venetian, you name it, they're going to be shooting them off. So we've been watching them go off all in the distance and going to bring y'all along with. Miley Cyrus's concert just ended. They were showing that on the big screen at Resorts World. Good times, but could not hear it, could watch it though. But we have been watching these parking garages down below get awfully full with people wanting a front row seat to all of the fireworks, which we have on the balcony. So stay tuned. Fireworks coming next. Okay, guys, let it begin. And they are all in unison.
All the same.
I said they're all in unison. How awesome is this? Planet Hollywood is going off there too. Unreal. And the fountains. Look at the fountains. Very cool. Wow. This is crazy. smiley faces. How cool is that? Did y'all hit an echo for miles and miles? Those are gorgeous. Holy cow. And that is how you do the 4th of July Vegas style right there. Holy cow. The crowds you heard roar afterwards. Look at the parking garages. That was crazy insane. Okay, y'all, thanks so much for joining. Appreciate y'all so much. Glad we could show you 4th of July Vegas style. Thanks so much. Lots more to come. Stay tuned. Bye.